Hey guys, it's Alea and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to decorate and furnish a doll living room. So let's go. Start by grabbing a large cardboard box and cover it in scrapbooking paper. For the walls, I decided to do half color and half white. These wood floors can also be found at your local Michael's. Take a rectangular piece of cardboard and cover it in paper. Then glue it inside the room to make a divider. To make a couch, start by grabbing a rectangular piece of cardboard that fits the doll. And I decided to also curve the edges. Along with the base, cut out two sides, the backboard, and the armrest. Cover the parts in scrapbooking paper and glue them all together. Throw on some pillows and blankets, and you're done with the couch. Grab a rectangular piece of cardboard and fold in the sides and cover with paper. Then use inspirational words from scrapbooking paper and glue it on top. And use plastic to act as glass. And you're done with the coffee table. To make a TV stand, grab 4 rectangles and 3 smaller rectangles. Then cover it in scrapbooking paper. Glue the sides to the bottom and the top and the inner shelves, and you're done with the TV stand. To make the TV, grab a large square and 3 skinny rectangles. Then cover with scrapbooking paper. For the TV, I decided to use a magazine cutout and use scrapbooking paper and glue it on top. Glue on the sides to the large square, then glue it onto the wall, and you're done with the TV. To make a bench, cut out a square that fits inside the smaller section. Make another square and cut out 2 smaller squares for the sides. Then cover it in scrapbooking paper and glue them all together. And you're done with the bench. Now that all the furniture is done, let's decorate. I cut out pretty pieces of scrapbooking paper and add my own personal touch. Then glue it onto the wall. I also glued on some beads so the dolls can hang their purse. To make books, cut out pieces from a magazine. Then glue it on cardboard and cut it out. And add it to the shelf. I take a flat seashell that I got from a friend and write something on it. Then add that to the shelf as well. I make a quick potted plant using beads and fake plants from our How to Make Potted Plants video. It'll be in the description. Take a square of cardboard and cover it in scrapbooking paper and add a small rectangle to the back to be used as a picture frame on the shelf. I cover the sides of rectangles and squares in scrapbooking paper and glue it onto the shelf. I didn't do anything with this wall yet because I hope to get small pictures of the dolls and glue it on here. And you're done with the living room. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another Summer Alea DIY.